Hey guys, this is Pedro. I'm the CEO of Builderall, and I want to invite you to the Builderall New Year Kickoff event on December 28th. It's basically an opportunity to come have a casual chat. We'll host a Q&A with myself and a few other members of our team. I love answering questions. I've been committed to working with entrepreneurs for the past 10 years, and I love to help founders grow and be successful. It's a passion of mine. I've got another big news. Builderall is going to be awarding 3 customers $5,000 in value each month starting in January. So if you're an existing customer, there's an opportunity for you to plug in, get some additional resources, grow faster, and get support from the Builderall team along the way. We've got more details for that coming soon. You'll see in future communications. Next, last but not least, we are offering a 30% off promo for your first 3 months. So if you're not a customer yet and you want to sign up, you can use the code NEWBIZ30, that's NEWBIZ30. So I hope to see you on September 28th. Look out for details on that $5,000 promo that we're doing. And then if you're not a customer, sign up today with NEWBIZ30. See you there.